Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is Naveen from UiBrains. So in this video, we are going to discuss a new concept. Again, new example of JavaScript DOM manipulation. So here I want to take a range selector. Okay, so a range selector, when you have just drag the range selector, I want to update its value what you have selected, right? So mostly you might have seen this in the EMI calculators. You would have seen this, right? That range selection. So I want to do that example. It's a new event again. So the plan in this video is I will have one range selector. Let's like this. Let's make a box here. Okay. So one range selector. So whenever I'm moving this range, I want to display its value like 5 lakhs, something like that. Okay, I want to display the data like this. So this is actually an event called input event. So we have seen key up event, change event, right? So this is going to be the input event. So let's have a look in this video. And I want to make this again bootstrap setup. I want first column this one, next column this one. Okay, let's make this part now. So for bootstrap setup, I have already taken the folder, copy the folder. I back to here, I close all, and here I will paste it. I change this to 18 underscore js underscore uh, range select. Okay, fine. So HTML I modify slightly. This is gonna be the range select. This is also range select. Okay, fine. So close this. Open that range select. Yeah, here I'll add a comment. Comment is again range select. So let's make a setup and then we'll start with the manipulation. Setup is again same old. First I write margin bottom 3. Here I write one container, one row, call MD 8, one card header, card body. So card header I add BG primary text white. I add some H3. So okay, select an amount. Select an amount. Here in the card body, let's make actually I want to make two columns. So one row, and that row call MD4 I take. Not 4, I'll take 8 and call MD4. Okay, so here I want to make a range select, but that too I want a custom range. So I go to Bootstrap and in the forms, let me select some custom. I think in forms there will be some custom range selection, custom range radio. Where is that range? Yeah, I need this one. Okay, so let me copy this input, copy this, I paste here. Can I check? Yeah, it is available now. Fine, I right side I want to make data. So in the next column I write some h3 with a class called text primary. I'll make some 5000 as of now. Okay, you got 5000. Fine. So my plan is whenever I'm changing it, I want to update this value. So this is actually a value of your range selection. So thing is, for the range I need to make an ID. See, range I need an ID. This I need an ID. So range I need an ID. I think something is there. I just made modify as range. Okay, this range and an ID. For H3 I want an ID. Let's take amount. Okay, H3 I have an amount. Fine. Next, I don't need to display anything first, so delete. Next, this range values must important. I need to have some watt number to maximum watt number. So let's make minimum 5,000, maximum 5 lakhs, 50,000 or 5 lakhs. So minimum 5,000, maximum 5 lakhs. It means if we keep it here is 5,000, keep it here is 5 lakhs. In between, I want to see the value. Fine. So setup is ready. Now thing is, when I move it on, this is an event called input event. Okay, input event, get the value, display. So let me get the both the elements, this one and display elements. So range and amount. Go back to JavaScript. So range select. So let's range. Let's take range elements. Generally, I write EL. Okay, EL stands for the element, the tag. Okay, document query selector of hash range. Next, let's amount EL amount elements document dot query selector of hash amount, and you should be very careful writing this lowercase or uppercase. Okay, if you have lowercase here, if you write uppercase, you get errors. Okay, fine. Next, I want to apply an event called input event on the range. So what you do, range el dot add event listener of what event input events, comma one function. Okay, so on input events, actually what I have to do is I have to get the value of it and display here. So get the value of any form field is dot value. So let's say amount. Okay, let's take like this, selected amount is equal to the range el dot value. You get the selected amount. Okay, and this amount I want to display in the place of here. What is this element? Amount el. So let's take amount el dot inner text is equal to selected amount. So what are the amount you have selected that I'm attaching to the amount el. So let's check. Yes, exactly. When you keep it here is 5,000. When you keep it at last, you are getting 5 lakhs. Fine. One more thing is, yeah, here 5,000 looks good, but when I make here, I'm not sure exactly is it 30,000 or 3 lakhs. Correct? So I want to make a comma here. If you want to make comma is quite complex because 5,000 means uh, see 5,000 comma you write 88,000, but here you have to write two commas. Okay, so for this actually JavaScript is having a better function. So I'll just tell you what is that. Let me go to Google, search for, there is something called number format class. uh, Number format in JavaScript. If you type, go to the official documentation. I'll give you this URL link, you can check it out. I'll just make a comment out here. See, there is an object called intl, one global object dot number format, and you can format the number to a currency or whatever. If you see here, currency Europe, Japanese, and English, Indian. So I need this one. See, new intl dot number format dot something. Let me copy this. I need a number format in this way. Okay, so 1,23,000 in this format. So I copy this. So here I do one thing. Before I write all the logic, let's make a simple function. Okay, what is that is format number. So let's format number is equal to one function. Here, whatever the number you pass it, I will convert that to a format number. So I will let mm, results is equal to, I'll paste it. Okay, so whatever the number you have passed, that number I substitute in the place of forward function, and finally I return the result. Okay, so this function takes some number, convert to actual formatted. Okay, so here we have a maximum significant digit is 3. So like Indian mostly we write in this way. Okay, so let me call this one. So what I do is here directly select amount I'm passing here. I want to pass this to this function, get the result at here. So I write a shortcut here instead of select amount. I say format number of select amount. So select amount substitute here, its result substitute here. Okay, so this is the way you have to write, and check it out. Back to here. See, now we have 5 comma 1000 and 71,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Okay, perfectly works. And if you want to make a rupee symbol, you can write a rupee symbol in HTML. Somewhere here you write ampersand hash 8377 rupee symbol, but rupee symbol has gone. Um, you can actually do one thing. Yeah, do one thing. I just cut this. Okay, I'll just keep it. I write inside. I write a span tag. Okay, okay, because I want to display this, so I just cut the ID. I add this ID to the span tag because I am adding this amount. So this will be as it is there. Nearby, you'll be having this span tag with ID amount. So your amount will display in the place of span. Now check. See. Now happy. It will display. Okay. So this is how it works. So this is an event called input event, and you want to get this format. There's a function called intl global object, like math object, data object we have now. Same like that we have intl object dot number format. Okay, this is official documentation of JavaScript, Mozilla developers .org. Okay, so fine. So this is an example what I want to show you, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.